Hello everyone! Today, I've come with a new video where we'll learn how to do a gel extension using foil and a chrome application. Let's start by preparing the nail. First, I remove the outer layer, which we call the dead keratin layer, and push back the cuticles. I'll trim any excess cuticles to get a clean surface for application. This whole technique is known as a dry manicure. Next, we'll apply the foil to help shape the nail, and then we'll create the nail-using gel. Once the gel is applied, I'll clean it to remove the sticky layer so we can proceed with the next steps. Now, I'll apply black gel polish since that's the color the client wanted, and I'll use a small liner brush for a precise application. We also have this chrome powder, which I'll apply over the sticky layer of the nail using a brush. To finish, I'll seal everything with a top coat. And that's it. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like. Love you all!